Okay, our next demonstration will be about grit chambers. Okay, if you don't know what grits are, in wastewater treatment, grit refers to heavy inorganic solids found in sewage. This includes sand, gravel, broken glass, eggshells, coffee grounds, other small dense particles. Removing grit is a critical parameter step, usually done in one unit called the grit chamber. So the purpose of it is to protect equipment, prevent clogging, reduce wear and tear, improve sludge quality, and enhance overall efficiency. So grits are just dense particles that you need to remove to prevent your equipment from being damaged. Okay, so we go to our dashboard, go to primary treatment, and we head to grit removal like we did in our previous demonstration, just clicking samples just to have the values there. And then our flow rate is 46,000. We're gonna use just one duty and one standby grit removal because it's quite long in terms of length. And then we have a peak factor of 1.5 here. So grit removal, base your design on the peak flow. And then one important parameter is the detention time, which is usually 3 minutes. Displays 3 here. Displays water level of 3, tank depth, freeboard of 0.3, and then width. Another important parameter is the width to depth ratio. So once you have the detention time, water level, and width, you can now determine the necessary length. So the necessary length is around 13.3, so we'll just assume it's 13.5. Calculate, and then we have to input here the air requirement per cubic meter per minute per length, which is actually 0.3. Just place 0.3 there. And then you have the volume of grits, an assumption similar to the bar screen, the volume of screenings, and then this, you have these values here, and then what you get is the volume of the grits, the grit chamber. Okay, we just change here the dimensions 3.5, the width of 3.6, and total depth of, say, just 3.3. Okay, looks good. Just click generate report. So you have your dimension here, flow rate, duty standby, average and peak, and air requirement per grit chamber. So we just place the details here. It's like what we did in the previous demonstration. Just notes. And then we click print. Okay, just save as PDF. Okay, please. And then go to downloads. And here is our grit chamber. Okay, let's proceed with the next.